When we get to events like this, donor and you have sponsors, that they do not make a mistake. And when you're out there, we expect you that you serve. Because in the area where we are training, you extra. That's what we do at Minter. So that when everything is said and done, you are empowered.
Kira twenda gwika ni ku empower our women nikyo magie ugi na wigiririku wa maundu maya ma ku install solar na maundu maya ma twitaga clean energy nikyo ona mahote guthie kugia na kamweke ga guthie mahuthire skills icio tari kamweke ga guthie biashara-ini guthie kujikimu kimaisha nikyo mahote kwirugamia kira kwirugamia kimaisha kira twikite na airitu aya ni airitu anini ayuthi kuma miaka 19 kinya 30 na undu uria watumire twike kiria tuthi tumacagure ni undu twanutire kwina gap imwe nene muno kuria ayuthi aitu ni mathite cukuru-ini mahitukite mathite cukuru-ini no matire na uria ugi wa moko nikiro tumarehete ha magi ucio wigiriku wa moko wa guruta wira moko mao.